Yes, all road leads to Playland Club, Lagos, Nigeria, for our homie Jaymykitty listening party for his new release song Animashaun. Guess what? We at Olamond Naija TV, we are right here to support and of course to give you the great clips going in there for the listening party and of course to enjoy our red carpet moment. Myself, Pisola Jumo, I'll be your red carpet host for tonight. Stay glued. I'll be right back.
Jaymykitty, Temple Sketch.
Animashaun, she got the too much problem. Animashaun, all she wants is my money. Animashaun, she got the too much problem. Animashaun, all she wants is my money. All she wants is my money. All she wants is the goodie. All she wants is my money. All she wants is the goodie.
Family, we are right here for our own homie. I mean, the main reason why we are here, Jaymykitty. I won't say of Lagos, but I was going to say of the whole world. This guy here is the reason why we are here. Jaymykitty listening party, Animashaun Kuna himself. Baba, how you doing? How you doing?
Adi.
I love this outfit, man. Can you just give us a 360 for you? Wait, why they back up our school? The Aliko. Okay, quick one. Tonight you are the reason why we are all here celebrating you tonight for your new listening party for your new release song Animashaun. Can you just tell us the reason why you give that song that title Animashaun?
It's just because of girls now, women, they have a lot of wahala, and without money some women might not stay with you and a lot of women might not stay with you. So that is the reason why. They're after money.
They're after your money.
They're after your money.
Okay, quick one. Tonight we are celebrating you. At the same time, there are a lot of fans out there watching you tonight on this platform at Olamond TV. So what should your fans be expecting from you after tonight's listening party?
Yes, I'll be going on tour and I would like to feature more bigger artists up there. Yes, so right. I would like to release more songs, exclusive songs. Yeah, and I would like to feature a lot of artists.
A lot of superstars.
A lot of superstars.
So is Jaymykitty under a record label right now, or you are still an independent artist?
I'm still an independent artist.
But if you
not under any record label.
Okay, but if you see a bigger record label deal, you're gonna go for it?
Yeah, sure. I'll go for it.
All right, quick one. Thank you very much. Also, how are you doing tonight?
I'm good, man.
Your name, please?
My name is Schoolboy Easy.
Come again?
Schoolboy Easy.
Schoolboy Easy. Sorry, do you sing an Afro pop or you sing an Afro beat song?
I do live.
I live.
Yeah.
Can you give us a freestyle?
Obodo Bigwe putazi n'ọgbọ. For your guys, one neck and you go up. Muna men no the kedi fa na ko. Ụmụaka na-achọ m kedi ihe a na-achọ.
Okay, quick one. I know you are not just here to support your friend, your colleague, Jaymykitty. You also have some goodies from yourself.
I have songs to perform.
Okay. So, are you planning to have a collaboration with Jaymykitty in years time or almost time?
We have something coming up.
Okay.
I've been working on it.
Okay. So what are your best wishes for him?
I wish him more success, grace, and all of that because he's doing well.
All right, thanks so much. How you doing now?
I'm good.
What's your place?
I'm Don J.
Don J, Baba.
I beat you.
Oh, there's one of your songs that I do enjoy to watch at African Magic, and I want to say you are doing so much well for yourself.
I appreciate
Quick one. Tonight is for your friend, your brother, your homie, Jaymykitty. What can you say about Jaymykitty's new release song, Animashaun?
Yeah, Animashaun is a good song, and Jaymykitty is a good guy. We've been rolling together, chilling, so I came out tonight to support him. I know we're looking forward to have a great show.
So, quick one, what are your best wishes for him?
Yeah, I wish him to fly I know he's good, he's capable, and I believe the world will hear him soon.
Girl, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Your name, please?
My name is TZ.
TZ.
Yeah.
Are you an artist?
No.
Okay. Quick one. What can you say about Jaymykitty?
Yeah, I just love him. I love his vibes. I'm here for him tonight.
Quick one. You are here for your brother, for your friend, and your colleague Jaymykitty. What can you say about his new release song, Animashaun?
I've known Jaymykitty for a while now, and it's always delivery. All his songs is
top notch,
back to back. And this Animashaun, again, the song too sweet.
Too sweet. Okay, what are your best wishes for him in the next future?
Yeah, I want to wish him great success in his music career, and also want to tell him that he should keep doing the great work.
Hello, God, like I see you, Destiny I see you. Everybody, Olofofo, Tempo Mix, my producer, Shexy. Everybody in the house, respect. Kofo, where are you? One love. I love everybody. DJ Z's, Playland. Luminous, one love. Talking down. Good boy, I see you. Hey, Samuel, I see you. Hey, Animashaun, Olamond. She got too much problem. Animashaun, Olamond. What she wants is my money. Animashaun, Olamond. What she wants is my money. Animashaun, Olamond. What she wants is my money. What she wants is my money. What she wants is a cookie. What she wants is my money. What she wants is a cookie. Money for us, money for bread. What she wants is the world. You're ready for Celestino. They can give you back to the phone now.